Collecting tons of crushed peels and leftover seed pomace, the facility perfectly the nutrient-rich and holding immense natural oils and intensely vibrant pigments, this wet ruby red pomegranate waste possesses the
manually spread and meticulously organized by our expert chemists, the raw wet pomace is perfectly
passing through high-speed optical sorters, advanced lasers perfectly.
Examining the first collection stream reveals an unbelievable zero-waste triumph. Millions of perfectly diverted into a secondary collection vat, and the thick ruby red peels are flawlessly isolated, consolidated.
Utilizing immense mechanical force, the pure pomegranate seeds are directly
plunging deeply into the heart of the heavy expeller, high-pressure mechanical screws violently completely freed from the hard seeds. The incredibly rare, pure pomegranate oil emerges as a breathtakingly rich, thick, flawlessly extracted without heat. The pure botanical oil is rigorously visually inspected, entirely perfect. Subjected to intense, continuous thermal convection, the wet peels rapidly lose all internal moisture, violently
As the heavy steel doors swing open, intense dry heat escapes, revealing towering racks of complete... Utilizing completely devastating high-speed rotative picks, comparatively
entering the advanced high-speed micronizer, the coarse powder is violently blasted by a pressure.
completely extracted from the turbulent air, and the microscopic particles gently settle inside a massive, pristine clipping cans. Flowing like absolute pure liquid silk, the flawless microscopic botanical pigment is seamlessly dispensed. Relying on masterful human touch, our expert cosmetic chemists physically rub the ultra-fine powder between their Utilizing incredibly sensitive digital rotatory scales, the natural Carnauba wax flakes are meticulously measured to the exits. Relying on masterful botanical chemistry, the precisely measured organic waxes and raw shea butter are aggressive. Applying intense, perfectly regulated thermal energy, the double-jacketed steel vessels violently and perfectly
achieving total thermal liquefaction, and the raw solid botanicals are completely transformed into an absolutely breathtaking.
Utilizing state-of-the-art infrared thermal imaging, our expert chemists aggressively verify the internal temperature distribution.
Transferring to the degassing phase. A massive heavy-duty stainless steel lid drops.
To achieve its iconic, flawless application, the clean homogenized
Completely transcending its sterile laboratory origins, the finished hot cosmetic base absolutely commands.
flawlessly filled, the pristine silicone molds are aggressively transported completely high-speed.
Plunging deeply into the dark cryogenic tunnel, the hot liquid is violently blasted by
Executing a flawless deep freeze, the devastating sub-zero temperatures completely eradicate all internal heat in Tace. Emerging triumphantly from the terrifying cryogenic frost, the perfectly solidified lipstick bullets With absolute masterful precision, gleaming heavy 24-karat gold-plated tubes are aggressively brought onto the assembly line, flawlessly converging with the pristine ruby-red bullets scenes. Securing the delicate perfection, a massive array of advanced soft-grip robotic arms meticulously lifts the ruby. The master artisan entirely places the heavy gold tube perfectly flush, revealing an absolutely breathtaking, structurally flawless.
completely transcending its incredible zero-waste botanical origins. Completely transcending its incredible zero-waste botanical origins. Completely transcending its incredible zero-waste botanical origins, the finished masterpiece absolutely commands attention, gliding flawlessly across the lips.
Executing a final, flawless, luxurious showcase, the elegant South Asian wool is the intense ruby red. A final flawless, luxurious message reveals the absolutely breathtaking truth of the product, proving the incredible sustainable power of the upcycled pomegranates.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tool. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure original visual and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visual and real footage.